What is that magic, sparkling and sheer? I wish I can catch it and bring it down here. Sometimes it's big. Sometimes it's bright. Sometimes it's on stage on opening night. It can be loud and it can go far. But it can fade fast and flee to the stars. It's right there beside me. Then it's not. How can I find it? Can it be bought? If I take note and share what I see. Huh? Wow. Wow. Wait, there it is. It's coming from me. Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's small. But boy, does it sparkle and dance down the hall. The magic's in me. I can draw. I can sing. I shine brightest when I do my thing.